Bonjour! Today we will study our auxiliary, the second main auxiliary, avoir. Avoir simply means has, have. So, personal pronouns are je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il plural and elle plural. So we are going to break our auxiliary avoir with the following personal pronouns. To check out what are these personal pronouns, the link is given below. Please follow that. And here we explain the auxiliary avoir. J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, on a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. Why I said on a, nous avons, vous avez? Because after S and so on consonant, if there is a vowel coming afterwards, there is a connection between both. Only if the consonant is coming after and the vowel is coming later, then you have to join the word. That is called liaison in French. The French is read only with liaison. Je suis étudiante. Suis étudiante is a liaison made sentence. So focus only on avoir. Avoir means has, have. So if I tell you the meanings of j'ai means I have. Tu as means you have. Il a means he has. Elle a means she has. On a, informal, means we have. Nous avons means we have, formal, standard. And then if you say vous avez, then it is you have, formal, standard. Ils ont, this is they have. And then elles ont, they have. Ils ont is for masculine. Elles ont is for feminine. Keep revising, keep repeating. See you. À bientôt. Au revoir.